Hello everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you this quilt kit I got from the Sewing Box Quilt Shop.com. Well, I got it at the store. But if you wanted this kit, and I'll try to link it below, you can go to the sewingboxquiltshop.com and buy it and you can sew along with me. So my plan is to put this into different steps and do it over a few week period with you. So it does come with all the fabric to make it. The fabric is Quail Run by Kansas Troubles, I believe. Maybe. It is. I don't need a maybe. It is. So let's go through it. We have all these beautiful blues. I really like that pattern. In fact, I'm hand quilting a quilt right now, and I think I might go back and kind of make it the three little lines there because I love it. So we got 3 blues for our rails and 3 greens for our rails. Then we have some of this, must be our stars. That is our stars. So we have 2 of this orange color to go in the rails. And we have some burgundy. It's a beautiful selection. So these are fat quarters. And then I have some browns in there. Beautiful. Actually, maybe... Oh, this must be the border. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. And then this is the background for our stars. I'm going to assume this is the stars. Let me take a look. Give me just a minute. Yeah, so this is the binding. So this is the stars and the background, which will be obviously those. Then this is the binding. And then this for our rails. So I'm going to take this week and I am going to get it all ironed and all the pieces cut, because I have found with my Christmas quilt along that if I have it ready to go, if everything is cut, then I can just move into the sewing. So I think we're going to do this week, we're going to do all the ironing and sewing. I can iron some here on camera with you. I'm going to do all the ironing, sewing, or cutting. I think I said sewing. Ironing and cutting this week. And then next week, we will move on to I'm probably going to, honestly, I'm a busy person. I have 2 kids in sports, and I'm probably going to do the half square triangles. And then the next week, I'll do the stars. Or do the whole block together, because that's a lot of half square triangles, and if I go ahead and get them all done and cut, then the next week I just have to put them together, and then we'll do the rail blocks, and then we'll put it all together. So be 4, 5, 6 week project if you want to sew along. Maybe I'll make it 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from today we'll start I'll give 2 weeks to cut everything, and then we'll start the sew along. That way, if you want to get the kit, you can, and you could sew along with me, and by the end we will have a beautiful quilt top. So actually, let me just open up all the fabrics. I'll iron them later. Let me open them all up and show you. So we've got this one with the little flowers. I really do like the fabrics from Kansas Troubles. That's what my Christmas sew along is, Kansas Troubles. It's really a beautiful shade for me. I like the darker colors. Don't get me wrong, I like other colors like from other designers, but these are really what I'm liking now. I'm sorry, this was my favorite one there, the crossed lines. Then you have a different flower one in there. So they make their kits up and all of them will be the same. So if you order a kit from them, It will be the same one I have, but we'll sew our pieces together differently, so it could look completely different. Beautiful green with leaves. And then we have, I actually don't know what you call this. It's kind of like a little dot there with some little lines coming out of it. I don't know if you can. Oh, I don't think my camera's that good. Well, I tried. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There you go. So as this sew along goes, I will not be giving measurements because it is a kit. It comes with the pattern. You have to purchase it. Then we have this one. Kind of flowers, leaves. Love it. Then there is our orange, which is just a different random shape. I'm not really sure what you would call that. I'll iron them later. I will iron before I cut. If it was just something small I was doing, I might not iron. But since it's a whole quilt, we're going to iron. Then you have the orange leaves. This is one of my favorite colors. It is beautiful. It's my dad's favorite color, or at least it was. I don't know what his favorite color is now, but I love it. And then you have one in burgundy here with some triangles and a little dot. You can't really see them on the camera. I do apologize. It's not the greatest, but it's what I have. Then we have the burgundy in this with the flowers again and the vines. Then we have brown, and this is like the green one we had. I do like that each one's in a different color. 2 different colors, or most of them. This is brown with leaves. Love it. And then last for our rails, we have the brown with the vines and flowers. So there they are. I am excited about this. I'm going to make it maybe through the next couple of months. We'll be working on this. Not maybe. Through the next couple of months, we'll be working on this. And then I might just hand quilt it because it will be 54 by 72. So I could hand quilt that when I go to football games or just when I'm relaxing. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you're interested, and I'll put the link down below. Let me know if you order it because then I'll know who's sewing along. Anyway, there it is again. So, ooh, terrible picture. There we go. You might already have the pattern and want to put together your own kit. Let me know what your plans are. I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.